Come over that way by the castle. There's my man, Luigi. One person getting it allows everyone else to get his refund approved.
Oh no, I mean the next bill. I suck at my right. Oh man. Thank you, Nancy.
Mario Kart! Woohoo!
the looking in there. Yes. I didn't think it was gonna happen, but I finally got to see Super Nintendo World before it comes to Epic Universe. I felt like a kid in a candy store running all around Super Nintendo World. But that will be on a future video. Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge, knowing it's AR, I'm really not a fan of all that. I'm the physical sets kind of person. So honestly, the first 20-30 seconds of it, I wasn't feeling it. I started to get the hang of it, and then I actually had a blast. I did have a camera in one hand, and I tried to show you a little bit of what the AR looked like, but it was a complete fail. Hopefully you guys can get the premise of the ride. As you're going through these tracks, you are the player and you're able to shoot items and drive left and right. It actually is a really fun concept, and your goal for this race is to get over 100 coins. The first time I did it, I got 104, but I forgot to scan my stinking Luigi band. I honestly can't wait to go through all the footage I got from this trip to Universal Studios Hollywood. Be sure to subscribe because there's literally so much to come. Thank you for always liking and supporting the channel. I honestly can't tell you enough how grateful I am for each and every one of you. I am also building a kids YouTube channel, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the link here. And as always, thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.